नोटबुक्स सबके पास होती हैं, बट इफेक्टिवली कैसे उन्हें यूज़ करना है, कैसे चैप्टर वाइज डिवीजन करनी है, कैसे एक मिस्टेक लॉग रखना है टुवर्ड्स द एंड, कोई नहीं बताता. बट टॉपर्स have done this routinely to help them, and I am going to share these with you. Grab a pen and a paper. Number one, have a mistake log section towards the end of your notebook. No matter the subject you're studying, no matter the year you are in, 10th, 11th, 12th, CBSE, ICSE, entrances, अगर आप एक mistake log section रख रहे हो जिसमें you're keeping a track of all the mistakes that you've done. I used to prefer keeping it in keywords. You can do it in details. I used to refer back to the original notes, but keep a mistake log section for sure. Tip number 2, use your margins effectively. अगर आप एक PCM student हो तो आपको अपने margins में towards the right, left, bottom, ऊपर कहीं पे भी the margins are, just mention the keywords, the formulas or the equation. जो just the single छोटा छोटा keywords में you have to write the formula ताकि when you revise you do not have to scan the entire page at once. You can just refer to your keywords or the formulas written at the top. Even if you're a history student, you can write the key dates. If you're geography, key locations. It is very undermined how important this technique is for your last minute preparation. Third, अगर एक चैप्टर खत्म हो रहा है, you do not have to immediately start the next chapter at the next page. आपको 4 to 5 pages you have to leave a gap. That when you're revising or you're doing that in tuition, or you find some important points जो कि आपने textbook में highlight किए and you want to mention them as notes, or there are certain keywords that will help you in your answer जो आपने originally mention नहीं किए,